Hey folks, I totally get it. You want to pack in as much as you can for your trip. Hey, I totally understand. Trust me. However, I want to encourage you to see as much as you can, but be smart about it. Okay? Use that noodle you have up here. First of all, determine amount of time that you have and plan accordingly. Make sure that you do all your research of all the places that you would like to visit and try to narrow the places down that you want to see the most with the time that you have. Okay, very important. Don't over plan. I have made mistakes of trying to get everything in, and although I was able to see a lot, I did not get a chance to stop and smell the roses. Over planning will surely make a vacation to a hectic nightmare. Trying to keep up with everything that you had planned. So I highly recommend that you not, everybody say not, over plan. Again, research and pick out your destination and or destinations and really think about how much time that you have and how much time you would like to spend in each location. It's very important. For example, if you have 10 days in Germany, okay, and you want to go to, say, Garmisch, Berchtesgaden, Nuremberg, okay, let's do three cities for 10 days, okay, split and use your time wisely. I, myself, personally would recommend to spend at least 3 days in each location. Now, me being there in those cities many, many times, I could spend a lot more than 3 days in each city, trust me. That's why I keep going back. I love going back to those places. So research, research, research. Know before you go so you don't waste time in your hotel or on the side of the road trying to figure out, what am I going to do today? Where can I find that information? Whatever. Do it ahead of time. Now, with that being said, leave room for unexpected sights that you would like to see on a whim. Something may come up. Oh, I might want to check out that museum that I never heard of, or I want to check out that city or town that I've never been to. Just wiggle around for a little bit. Remember, to have fun, okay, allow flexibility. Be flexible and be willing to make adjustments to our itinerary if necessary, okay? Always be willing to make any adjustments. I am a very positive person. Negativity, it's not in my blood. But you have to make the best of any situation that you are in while you are traveling, or otherwise you will definitely find yourself in a nightmare situation. We need a plan for mishaps, okay? Things will not always go as planned. That's just the way it is. You can be the best planner in the world and things are going to happen, okay? One time, I had taken a group of 8 folks, including my wife and I, and things went wrong from the beginning. And I had a whole year of time for planning and where I'm going to take them, what I'm going to do, and whatnot. These are friends of mine. From the very beginning, we had some mishaps. First of all, we had a 5-hour delay due to mechanical problems with the airplane. We had to sit on the tarmac there for 5 hours. And of course, that puts us behind our schedule. We spent many hours in traffic throughout the trip. The GPS in our rented van was not working and it sent us in different directions. Then we finally got smart. Let's use our phones. And we used our phones and it worked well. But by the way, when we turned the van in at the airport, I had notified the attendant that the GPS was not working. And after the investigation on her part, she went on her computer, she realized that, hey, they had given you the wrong vehicle at intake because that faulty GPS was noted in her computer. So somebody messed up at the rental counter, okay? And they gave me a faulty equipment here. I could go on and on. But not only that, I thought that I had a very nice apartment in Garmisch rented. Had it all ahead of time and everything. And when we arrived, it was not what we expected or wanted. It was a battle, trust me. In fact, I could go further, but I'm not gonna go further. We got our money back and we found another place. I could go on and on and on. But I just want to make it known that no matter how good your plans are, no matter how good of a planner you are, okay, things can and will happen. Trust me. So in your planning, plan room for those unforeseen mishaps because things will happen, but you will handle it better, realizing that mishaps could happen and will happen. However, if you plan well, you may knock out some of the chances of unforeseen mishaps. My favorite saying for anything in life, I mean anything, it is, It's not the situation, it's how you handle it. So how are you going to handle it? How are you going to handle that situation? Please let me know if you have any questions or comments or anything. If you would like some help on putting together an itinerary for Germany, I will be glad to help you. Just leave your comments below and I'll be able to help you. On a good note, keep this thought. Mishaps make for great memories. Hey, if you like this video and would like to see more in the future, hit the subscribe button and the bell. And guess what? It's totally free. Ha ha! Dankeschön, tschüss!